folks, welcome back to another episode of Life in the Gap. We appreciate you watching the show. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave us a like and a comment.
Okay, so we're going to take a little trip here to go return the Amazon package. I purchased a phone mount, Gold Strike brand from Amazon, and got it in yesterday, and the thing will not work on this old 91 model Goldwing. It's supposed to hook up over here on the clutch reservoir, but this old Goldwing, it has 2 bolts over here, and the phone mount, it's just made for 1 bolt, so it won't fit. I have to try to find another one, I guess. I've searched every website I could think of and Googled and everything else, trying to find one. That there makes the second one I had purchased, trying to get it to work. Just wouldn't do it. I know there's one out there somewhere. I've saw them on other folks' videos. I guess I just need to message those folks and see if they will answer me. Anyway, we'll go for a little country drive here. See how this wing runs. See if we can run that miss out of it. This here's the old duck pond, as they call it. Like they're still over there working on it. Doing something other. Thing is owned by old Virginia Log Homes owner. This area through here, you see all kinds of wildlife, from deer, bobcats, foxes, oodlings of squirrels, of course. I will see anything right through there. Scared that cow. Cow thought he's gonna get run over. The barn here got its roof took off in the tornado there a couple weeks ago. I hit a deer right here one time in my car. We're coming into downtown Pennington Gap now. Thought that guy's gonna walk out in front of me. Yard sale going on. This town of Pennington, they charge people for setting up for yard sales in town. Have to get a permit. I think it's like $10 or something other. Not too bad, I guess, if you can make that back at your yard sale. Easy peasy. Just take it in, throw it on the counter. Hope it gets where it's going. Tell you what we'll do first, we'll go to Stone-faced rock. Let you see that. Somewhat of a tourist attraction for the Lee County area. Lee County, Virginia. Thought there's a white cat there. Shoo, smells like a skunk. Okay, we're getting ready to go underneath the Stone-faced rock. Probably won't be able to see it too good going this direction, but turn around, come back, and show you the rock. That train up there, if you could see it, it's actually, there's a tunnel goes through the bottom of that rock. That train is going through the rock. We'll stop here at this store and turn around. Let that guy get off my tail. There's the old stone face. See it through all the wires and poles. Got a tree growing up into his chin there. Somebody's going to have to get up there and do a little logging. Let's see if we can get out here without getting run over. Go under him here in a second. There's the train. A lot of graffiti on them. Magnolia tree blooming. I guess they're up here working in the trees, according to this sign. Rumble strips? Really? Don't know that we need that on a back road. So that's them right there. See if I can dodge them. Dodge that squirrel. There they are. Like that twister came right through this area. Was a hit or miss thing as far as the heavy damage. Algae filled pond. Have the Lee High School up here on the right. Like they got the crew out there cleaning up brush. People out vaping there, looks like. Okay, this will be Veterans Memorial Highway. Be heading towards Jonesville. We're in Ben Hur right now. Big bird got killed there. Getting ready to enter the town of Jonesville, Virginia. There's the sign, corporate limits. Speed limit takes a drastic drop from 55 to 25 right here. There is the police. Folks, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. hit that bell so you'll know when we post another video. We do appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Shoo, stinks through there. That's not a skunk. Smells like rotten eggs.